My name is Miria Maciągiewicz. I love the sky in Iceland. Clouds crisscross it in massive dark ribbons running as far as you can see in either direction, or they curve and fold into massive waves as if you're looking at the surface of a giant roiling sea above you. I'm always entranced when I look up, and a little frightened. It makes you feel so unnervingly small. The Lomogon is a lens to pack when you're trying to travel light and you're not sure which focal length will be the most useful. I'm particularly drawn to its vignetting capabilities, which one can achieve by adjusting the aperture wheel slightly off point. It was such a fun lens to experiment with.